The stranger. A quiet town lies tucked among the rolling hills of Connecticut, peaceful, proper, and untouched by war. Church bells chime, shopkeepers sweep their porches, and the college green hums with small-town chatter. But beneath the calm, a stranger walks its streets, a man whose shadow reaches all the way back to the ruins of Europe. His name is Charles Rankin, or so everyone believes. To his students, he's a polished professor, eloquent and kind. To his fiancée, Mary Longstreet, he's the very picture of refinement, cultured, charming, safe. But to one man, somewhere far away, Rankin is not a scholar. He is Franz Kindler, one of the architects of the Nazi death machine, a ghost who has fled across the ocean to bury his past under a new name. The hunter arrives. On a gray morning, a new visitor steps off the train. He carries no weapon, only a sharp mind and a quiet determination. He is Mr. Wilson, an investigator with the War Crimes Commission. His job is to hunt the invisible, the masterminds who vanished after Hitler's fall. Wilson's strategy is simple but dangerous. He releases one of Kindler's old henchmen, hoping the fugitive will lead him to his master. The bait works. The released man travels to Harper, where he finds Rankin. But Rankin, always one step ahead, lures him into the woods, and there the professor kills him with cold precision. He buries the body beneath fallen leaves, confident that no one will ever know. But the stranger, Mr. Wilson, has seen too much. He senses the lie behind Rankin's carefully polished smile. The trap tightens. Days pass. The town celebrates Rankin's wedding to Mary, a perfect ceremony in the church whose tall clock tower dominates the skyline. Rankin even offers to repair the tower's clock, its ancient gears and statues symbols of time, justice, and fate. But Wilson lingers in town, asking quiet questions, watching every movement. Bit by bit, he uncovers cracks in Rankin's facade. The way he speaks about Germany, his hatred of all things Jewish, his obsession with control. When the body of Rankin's accomplice is found, the clues begin to converge. Mary senses something dark but refuses to believe it. Her husband, after all, is the pillar of their town. Respected, intelligent, gentle. Could it be true that the man she loves once designed death camps and truth and terror? Wilson knows the only weapon against denial is truth. In a chilling scene, he shows Mary real film footage from the concentration camps. Silent, grainy, horrifyingly real. The truth is unbearable. Her world collapses. Still, Rankin clings to his deception. He tries to convince Mary that Wilson is the madman, that it's all lies and propaganda. His charm curdles into menace. His love turns to control. He must silence her, as he silenced others. The clock strikes. It all ends where his mask first seemed secure. The clock tower, the same tower he has repaired now, becomes his prison. Wilson follows him up the narrow stairs, the ticking gears echoing like a heartbeat of judgment. Rankin, desperate, raves about power, order, destiny, but the clock strikes the hour, and justice falls swift and sure. In a poetic twist of fate, Rankin plunges from the tower, impaled on the sword of one of the clock's bronze figures, an angel of justice. Below, the town gathers, the bells toll. The truth, once hidden, has been revealed. The stranger is no longer among them. Epilogue. The stranger was Orson Welles' chilling reminder that evil does not always wear a uniform. Sometimes it hides behind charm and civility, waiting for the world to forget. Through stark shadows, tense silences, and moral confrontation, Welles painted a picture of post-war America still haunted by the ghosts of Europe, and warned that the greatest danger is the evil that looks familiar.